What if a flying machine could hover perfectly still, navigate autonomously through cities, avoid obstacles in real time, and capture cinematic footage from the sky with incredible precision? Welcome to the world of quadcopters, one of the most advanced combinations of physics, electronics, AI, and aerodynamics ever engineered. Drones have rapidly evolved from military tools and hobby gadgets into critical technologies transforming industries worldwide. Today, drones inspect bridges, deliver medicine, map construction sites, monitor crops, film Hollywood movies, and even assist emergency rescue operations. Modern quadcopters combine sensors, AI, high-speed computing, and precision flight control into remarkably compact flying systems. What once seemed futuristic is now becoming part of everyday life. Next, what is a quadcopter? A quadcopter is a type of multi-rotor drone powered by 4 independently controlled propellers. Unlike helicopters, quadcopters do not require complex tail rotors or variable pitch blades for stability. Instead, flight control is achieved entirely by adjusting motor speeds continuously and independently. This makes quadcopters mechanically simpler, highly maneuverable, and extremely versatile. Next, evolution of modern drones. The journey of drone technology began more than a century ago. In 1907, the Breguet brothers built one of the first experimental quadro aircraft designs. Military unmanned aerial vehicles emerged during the 20th century, but consumer drone technology exploded during the 2010s with companies like Entity, Company, DJI, Pop Parrot. Today, AI-powered autonomous drones are reshaping logistics, surveillance, agriculture, and transportation. Next, basic structure of a drone. Even though quadcopters appear simple externally, they are highly integrated engineering systems. The major components include the frame, motors, propellers, flight controller, ESCs, sensors, battery, and communication systems. Every component must work together perfectly to maintain stable flight. A failure in even one subsystem can destabilize the entire aircraft instantly. Next, frame and body design. The frame acts as the skeleton of the drone. Most quadcopters use X-shaped or H-shaped configurations made from carbon fiber or reinforced composites to maximize strength while minimizing weight. Every extra gram reduces flight time, so lightweight structural optimization is extremely important. At the same time, the frame must remain rigid enough to handle intense vibration from high-speed rotating motors. Next, brushless DC motors explained. At the heart of every drone are brushless DC motors, commonly called BLDC motors. Unlike traditional brushed motors, brushless motors use electronic commutation instead of physical brushes, greatly improving efficiency and reliability. These motors can spin between 3,000 and 10,000 RPM under load, much faster than a typical car engine. Their high power-to-weight ratio makes stable quadcopter flight possible. Next, propellers and thrust generation. Propellers are responsible for converting motor rotation into lift force. Each blade is carefully designed with a specific pitch and diameter optimized for efficiency and thrust generation. Larger propellers move more air at lower RPM, improving efficiency, while higher blade pitch generates greater thrust at the cost of increased power consumption. Opposing propeller pairs rotate in opposite directions to cancel out torque and prevent uncontrolled spinning. Next, how lift force works. Quadcopters fly because propellers accelerate air downward rapidly. According to Newton's third law, every downward push of air creates an equal and opposite upward reaction force on the drone. At the same time, the curved propeller blades create pressure differences based on Bernoulli's principle, generating additional lift. When total upward thrust exceeds the drone's weight, the aircraft rises into the air. Next, Newton's laws in drone flight. Drone flight is deeply connected to Newton's laws of motion. Newton's first law explains why a hovering drone remains stable when all 4 motors produce balanced thrust. Newton's second law describes how greater thrust creates greater acceleration, especially for heavier drones. And Newton's third law forms the fundamental basis of flight itself. Every downward force on the air produces upward lift. Next, the flight controller, the brain of the drone. The flight controller is the central brain of the quadcopter. This tiny onboard computer reads sensor data hundreds of times per second and constantly adjusts motor speeds to maintain stability. It runs advanced control algorithms called PID loops, proportional, integral, and derivative corrections, to counteract tilt, wind, vibration, and movement instantly. Without the flight controller, stable quadcopter flight would be impossible. ESC, Electronic Speed Controller. Each motor on the drone has its own electronic speed controller, or ESC. The ESC converts commands from the flight controller into precisely controlled electrical power for the motor. Instead of changing voltage directly, ESCs use pulse width modulation to switch current on and off thousands of times per second. This enables incredibly fast and smooth motor speed adjustments during flight. Next, battery and power distribution. Most modern drones use lithium polymer batteries, commonly called LiPo batteries. LiPo cells provide extremely high energy density while remaining lightweight, critical for maximizing flight time. The power distribution board routes electrical power from the battery to all ESCs simultaneously. Voltage regulators also ensure sensitive electronics like the flight controller and receiver receive safe operating voltages. Next, how quadcopters maintain balance. One of the most impressive aspects of drone flight is continuous stabilization. If the drone tilts slightly in any direction, the flight controller instantly detects the imbalance and adjusts motor speeds accordingly. These micro-corrections happen hundreds of times every second, far faster than human reflexes could ever respond manually. Even when hovering perfectly still, the drone is constantly correcting itself continuously. Next, gyroscope and accelerometer. Modern drones rely heavily on inertial sensors for stability. The gyroscope measures angular velocity, how quickly the drone rotates around each axis. The accelerometer measures linear acceleration and tilt orientation relative to gravity. Together, these sensors give the flight controller a continuous understanding of the drone's motion and orientation. Next, IMU, Inertial Measurement Unit. The Inertial Measurement Unit, or IMU, combines multiple sensors into one integrated system. It typically includes gyroscopes, accelerometers, and sometimes magnetometers for heading reference. Because raw sensor data contains noise and vibration, advanced filtering algorithms like Kalman filtering smooth the measurements continuously. The IMU effectively becomes the drone's internal sense of balance. Next, drone stabilization loop. Drone stabilization operates as a continuous closed-loop system. First, sensors measure orientation and movement. Then the flight controller calculates corrective actions and adjusts motor thrust accordingly. This sense-compute-correct cycle repeats hundreds of times every second to maintain stable, controlled flight. Next, pitch, roll, and yaw. A quadcopter moves using three primary rotational axes: pitch, roll, and yaw. Pitch tilts the drone forward or backward by increasing thrust on front or rear motors. Roll tilts the drone sideways by changing left-right motor balance, while yaw rotates the drone around its vertical axis by altering opposing propeller torque. By combining these motions together, the drone achieves full three-dimensional maneuverability. Next, GPS navigation in drones. Modern drones use GPS systems for navigation and autonomous flight. The onboard receiver communicates with multiple satellites simultaneously to determine precise geographic position. This enables position hold, waypoint missions, follow-me modes, and automatic return-to-home functionality. Advanced RTK GPS systems can even achieve centimeter-level positioning accuracy. Next, altitude hold mechanisms. Maintaining stable altitude requires multiple sensor systems working together. Barometric sensors estimate altitude using air pressure measurements, while ultrasonic sensors measure distance from the ground using sound waves. Professional drones may also use LiDAR rangefinders for extremely precise low-altitude control. Combining these systems improves flight stability dramatically. Next, obstacle detection sensors. One of the most advanced drone technologies is obstacle detection. Modern drones use stereo cameras, infrared sensors, ultrasonic systems, and LiDAR scanners to detect nearby objects in real time. These sensors continuously build a spatial awareness map around the aircraft. The drone can then slow down, stop, or reroute automatically to avoid collisions. Next, camera and gimbal stabilization. Drone footage appears smooth because of the gimbal system. A gimbal is a motorized stabilization platform that isolates the camera from drone vibration and movement. Using its own sensors and brushless motors, a 3-axis gimbal continuously compensates for pitch, roll, and yaw independently. This allows drones to capture cinematic aerial footage even during aggressive flight maneuvers. Next, remote control communication. Drones communicate continuously with the pilot using radio frequency transmission systems. Most consumer drones operate on 2.4 gigahertz or 5.8 gigahertz frequencies for low latency control over several kilometers. Telemetry systems transmit battery status, GPS position, speed, altitude, and sensor data back to the pilot in real time. Meanwhile, digital video downlink systems stream live FPV footage directly to the controller screen. Next, autonomous drone flight. Autonomous drones can execute missions without constant pilot control. The flight controller combines GPS data, IMU measurements, obstacle sensing, and AI algorithms to navigate independently. Waypoint missions allow drones to follow predefined flight paths automatically. Modern systems can even adapt dynamically to wind, terrain, and unexpected obstacles during flight. Next, AI and computer vision in drones. Artificial intelligence is transforming drones from remote-controlled tools into intelligent autonomous agents. Computer vision systems allow drones to recognize objects, track subjects, avoid obstacles, and navigate complex environments automatically. Technologies like SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping, help drones build real-time 3D maps of unknown environments. Deep learning models continuously improve navigation, tracking, and flight efficiency. And next, applications of drone technology. Drone technology now serves countless industries worldwide. In agriculture, drones monitor crops and optimize irrigation. In construction, they perform surveying and infrastructure inspection, while emergency services use drones for search and rescue operations and disaster assessment. Drones have evolved far beyond hobbyist toys into critical industrial tools. Next, drones in delivery and surveillance. Delivery drones are becoming one of the most exciting commercial applications. Companies like Entity Company, Amazon Company, Zipline Logistics Networks, capable of bypassing road traffic completely. Meanwhile, surveillance drones provide real-time situational awareness for border security, disaster response, and public safety operations. The sky itself is gradually becoming part of transportation infrastructure. Next, challenges and flight limitations. Despite rapid advancement, drones still face several major limitations. Battery technology remains the biggest bottleneck, limiting most consumer drones to around 20 to 30 minutes of flight time. Strong winds, rain, and signal interference can destabilize flight and reduce reliability. Balancing payload capacity, endurance, safety, and efficiency remains a major engineering challenge. Next, drone safety and regulations. As drones become more common, governments are implementing strict aviation regulations. In the United States, the FAA Part 1 and 7 rules govern commercial drone operations. Pilots must maintain visual line of sight, avoid restricted airspace, and typically remain below 400 feet altitude without special authorization. Safety and airspace integration are becoming increasingly important as drone traffic grows. Next, the future of autonomous drones. The future of drones is moving toward full autonomy and swarm intelligence. Future drone fleets may cooperate together dynamically without centralized control, sharing sensor data and dividing tasks automatically. Urban air mobility systems may eventually integrate drones into smart city infrastructure for transportation, logistics, and emergency response. The next generation of drones could fundamentally reshape how humans move through the sky. Next, the science behind flying quadcopters. At its core, quadcopter technology represents a perfect convergence of physics, electronics, sensing, and artificial intelligence. Aerodynamics generates lift, electronics control propulsion, sensors provide spatial awareness, and AI enables autonomous decision-making. Every stable hover and every smooth maneuver is the result of thousands of calculations and corrections happening every second. Few technologies combine so many scientific disciplines into such a compact flying machine. Final takeaway. Quadcopters are far more than flying cameras or hobby gadgets. They represent one of the most elegant integrations of engineering, robotics, aerodynamics, and AI in modern technology. As autonomous systems continue advancing, drones may become essential infrastructure for transportation, logistics, agriculture, surveillance, and emergency response worldwide. And the age of intelligent autonomous flight has only just begun. If you enjoyed this visual breakdown of drone technology, like this video and subscribe to 3D Decode for more futuristic science and engineering explained visually in 3D. Comment drones if you think autonomous aerial systems are the future. See you in the next video.